The harsh truth is, you've probably already got people ready to engage, click, or buy, if only you had automations set up. But automations are really complicated and difficult to make, right? There's nothing you can do about it, right? No, now it's easy. Looking to grow your followers? That takes less than 10 minutes. Collect emails? Less than 10 minutes. Incentivize engagement? Covered. In, you guessed it, less than 10 minutes. We totally simplified it all. For busy creators out there, the new guided workflow from Manychat keeps you in control without the pains of other complex automation software. New to automation? No sweat. The setup is super simple. You'll select keywords, enter a message, set an opener, and boom, that's it. No coding, no PhD in computer science necessary, just a few clicks and it's ready to go. This tool is 100% purpose-built to help busy creators drive more connections, increase their reach, and free up your time without the headaches. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile and designed to integrate perfectly into how you already do your thing. Ready to get started? Check out how easy it is for free at manychat.com. Manychat. Put your social media growth on easy mode.